everyone, I'm Rebecca. Today we're going to do heating pads, and it's going to be, I made one already. Favorite color? Maybe. So we're going to get a material. We're going to cut it from one end to the other end, 12 inches, and the width is 6 inches. I already cut my pattern. So you get 2 pieces. You put the inside of the material inside. That looks nice. And then we sew it together. Oops. Here we go. Okay. And we're going to sew it 1 inch all the way down. I never made one before, so. All the way down into almost at the end. We put it down and then pick up the handle and then over. All the way down. Stop. Put the needle all the way down, and then we pick up the handle, and whoops, too small. There we go. All the way down, all the way up the end. And stop. Cut the thread. Get the thread apart. And I put a knot at the end, like a little support. Double knot. And then I cut it. Better can see the green color. And then the other side, same thing. Oops, that part is too long. Oh. So make a knot at the end, 2 knots. It's a little support that I do every time I sew. Cut it at the end, and then we're going to turn it inside, outside in or inside out. Okay, I have this little stick I have. And I get the ends kind of like a, so it looks nice. And then spread it out. And I press the material this way. And then the other way. And then at the end, I turn the material in, like you're making a hem. I got taper, like a tape thing, material. I put it in at the end, clip it, clip this together. It's hard in here. And then I get rice. This is a bigger bag than this one right here. I put 1.5 on this one. I'm going to put 2 cups of rice because it's bigger. That's 1 cup. Put it in here like this. Let's do another cup. And you can use any kind of material you want. I have this material left from, it was in the closet somewhere. I was going to do something and I never did. And this material I did a couple of masks that I did earlier. We're going to go to a machine. So the end part, okay, we're going to sew the end of the material of the bag. Pick up the handle and I make another turn so the rice won't come out of the bag. More support to it. And here I go again. Make 2 knots, cut the end, there we go. Where's my recipes? Clip the ends, clip this one, and here's your heating pad. And you can put it in the microwave. Green one and the red one. You can make it as big as you want. You could do double to get 2 patterns together, put them together. So the middle part right here, and you have a bigger heating pad, and you can put it in your bag. So thank you for watching my video. See you next time.
It's nerve-wracking, isn't it?
Yes.